Hey guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. As I'm filming this video in my garage today, it is literally 3 days till Christmas and I wanted to give a special gift to one of my good friends who, like me, has a 3rd gen Tacoma. So if you're familiar with my channel, you may recognize that this is not my truck. It's actually my friend John's TRD Sport that I stole for the day so that we could install his Christmas gift, which is going to be these custom seat covers I designed from PRP. I actually already have a complete in-depth video all about PRP seat covers because I installed some of my own in my own truck a couple of months ago, but I wanted to film this video for you guys because ever since I posted that video and I've been posting pictures of my seat covers, so many of you guys have been interested, and I thought it'd be fun to post another video about PRP seat covers on this TRD Sport for you guys. So John has no idea what I'm doing to his truck today, and with PRP seat covers, I'm sure there's millions of color combinations and fabric combinations you can get with seat covers, so I picked a really neutral design. This is a surprise. I really wish I could film his reaction, but tomorrow I'm driving to Arizona to spend Christmas with my family, so we're gonna have someone else bring the truck to him to surprise him, but regardless, I know he'll love it. He loved the ones in my truck, and with kids and dogs and everything, these are gonna be much better than the cloth seats that are currently in this truck. Okay, so anyways, let's get to installing these. So today I'm going to be installing the 2 front seat covers for him in this truck. Now, I did also purchase the rear seat covers to match these front ones, but unfortunately PRP had a slight color mix-up, so the wrong colors were made for the rear seats, so those are going to be on the way and I'm not going to be able to install them today, so I'm just doing the fronts and I'll have to do the rears another day. Anyways, let me show you guys the design of these seat covers close up. So these are the 2 front headrests. This is the front of them. Now the color I got for the front of the headrest was Daytona gray, and for the side part of the headrest and the back, the color is really similar, but it's actually a little bit darker. This is Daytona black. So this is the back of one headrest and this is the front. I don't even know if you can tell a difference. In person, you can definitely tell there's a slight color difference, but it's very, very minor. And then you can also get custom stitching, but I decided again to stay neutral, so I just went with black. And then this is the bottom portion of one of the seats. So this is the part where he's gonna sit. And the color I got on this was Daytona gray. So for this main seat part, it's gonna be that same gray color that was on the front of the headrest. And then for the sides of these seats, I decided to go a little fancy and I got this carbon fiber pattern. And then again, we still have that black stitching throughout. This is not sponsored or anything. Again, I did purchase these myself, but something I really like about my own PRP seat covers, and maybe some of you guys have realized if you've installed PRP seat covers, is that the material is really, really thick, which is going to make seating a lot more comfortable. There's a literal layer of this foam, and the first thing you realize when you first sit on your newly covered seats with PRP seat covers is that it's a lot more soft, and in my opinion, it's a lot more comfortable. So the bottom for both the driver and passenger is going to match, and then the top for both the driver and passenger is the same. And again, for the main portion of the seat, I got the Daytona gray vinyl and the black carbon fiber pattern. Now, one of the reasons I recommend PRP seat covers to anyone who asks me about them is that they have this side airbag flap. So if you're ever worried about safety and the airbag not being able to deploy properly because there's stitching over it, PRP integrates this flap in their Tacoma ones for that extra little safety. So if you want more information about PRP seat covers for the 3rd generation Tacoma, again, I have a more detailed video all about them. But now I'm gonna start installing these, and the easiest way, in my opinion, is to actually remove the 2 front seats. So that's what I'm gonna go do right now. I'm gonna start on the passenger seat. Now my cover is a little wrinkled because of packaging, but if you let it sit out in the sun a little bit, it'll get better, and over time, as it's on the truck, it will also improve. A lot of you guys have been asking me how my own PRP seat covers are on my TRD off-road, and truly I love them. For me, dust is a huge problem since I go off-roading in the desert quite a bit, and the cloth like would soak up so much dust, so having a vinyl seat cover was really the right choice for me. Plus, you guys know I have my dog Cody. He's super messy. His fur just like soaks up everything like a sponge, and all of the messes are so easy to clean up with the PRP seat covers. They honestly still look brand new, and I have nothing bad to say about them. They are great for me and my lifestyle. So now I'm pulling part of the fabric through the seat, which is why it's on its side. I'm not gonna lie, installing these is quite a bit, and it's definitely gonna give you a workout. Your fingers might hurt a little after, but then again, I just know how stoked he's gonna be, so it'll all be worth it. All right, the top of the seat is done. I know you guys can probably see some creases, but they're slowly going away. They're better than they were 5 minutes ago. And as time goes on, these will completely disappear. So now I'm gonna start on the bottom part. All right, so the seat is done except for the headrest, so I'm gonna do that next. Now I got the headrest. Okay, so here's what the seats looked like before, and here's the after. Now, obviously there's still wrinkles, but up close you can get a better idea of the carbon fiber pattern as well as the texture on the vinyl. have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's now pretty much the end of 2021, and I just wanted to give a huge thanks to all you guys who have supported the channel, left comments, likes on my videos, and I've loved making videos for you guys every single week, and we're gonna continue that in 2022. Anyways, I love you guys, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Now, as one last gift, I'm also gonna give him these. I'm just gonna leave these on his seat. These are seat jackers. Literally the best modification ever for your legs and for your back. I've made a couple videos on them, so if you wanna know what they are, I'll have a link in the description. But basically, they just lift the front of your seat. And seriously, the ride is so much more comfortable. I think he's over 6 feet tall, so he might really like these. And the company that makes these is one of my favorite small businesses, Desert Does It. So hopefully he enjoys that. And then also, since you guys have made it this far into my video, I thought I would give you a little reveal of something I've been working on. These are some stickers of me and my Tacoma and Cody. This is just my first prototype, so they might end up looking a little bit different. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of these, and I'm gonna give him the very first one.